What do you do with a long list of links to Pantheon documentation pages? Hello, Steve Persh here, Director of Developer Experience at Pantheon, and as one of the people stewarding our documentation site, and as a former customer myself, I know it can be overwhelming to stare down a long list of docs pages that gets sent over by your customer success manager, or your account manager, or maybe from your manager's manager. You are busy. Perhaps you're billing by the hour. Maybe you've got another browser tab open with all the Jira tickets that you need to complete by the end of this sprint. And that's a big list too. Are you supposed to stop everything and read all of this documentation all at once? How about I give you the TLDR here in these videos, and then you can decide which pages you want to read in depth. I think that'll be faster for you. And really, that's what we're trying to do here at Pantheon. Make your work faster. The success of the web, the success of websites, depends on moving fast, changing fast, while maintaining stability. So now I'll try to channel some of that fast-moving energy, and I'll talk through these in the order that would have best alleviated my anxiety when I was trying out Pantheon for the first time like 10 years ago. First, I just want to see a website on Pantheon that I make. That's what this doc talks about. Pantheon says it's good at running WordPress and Drupal and now front-end frameworks too, but until I, as a developer, just make a Hello World site and see it for myself, I'm not interested in hearing any of that marketing speak about whether it's good or not. So you can follow this doc here for site creation, though you might not need the doc open because the dashboard flow is relatively self-explanatory. TLDR, it's you click the button to create a new site, you select WordPress or Drupal. If you select Drupal, you then pick the version number of Drupal, you give your site a name, you select the region that the site will run in, you wait a couple minutes for some containers to provision, you end up at this site administrative dashboard, and then you go to the familiar WordPress or Drupal installation screens that you've probably seen a bunch of times yourself. To show it here in our real dashboard, I'll myself go to this demonstration organization, I'll click Create New Site, I'll select WordPress, I'll give my site a name, and I'll run this site in the United States. Now I'm at the administrative dashboard. Boom, boom, boom. I made a basic website and it is on the internet. I am now slightly less skeptical. And hopefully you're a bit less skeptical now too. You can read that whole doc if you want, or you can just try and make a site on your own. Or watch the next video in this series and I'll TLDR some more documentation pages. Thanks.